Namaste everyone, this is Elvil here of grade 5th Chandan. I am feeling highly privileged to be one of the presenters of today's morning assembly. Let us start the day with Shanknath and Gayatri Mantra to disseminate positive vibrations in the environment. Four things we should always keep in our mind. God hears prayer, God heeds prayer, God answers prayer, and God shower blessings upon us after prayer. Let us join our hand aesthetically and religiously together and pray to God to gift us the day filled with happiness, contentment, health, safety and love.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम इतना बड़े महान गगन को छू ले हम गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम इतना बड़े महान गगन को छू ले हम इतना बड़े महान गगन को छू ले हम तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु
Namaste everyone. Where there is a will, there is a way. We know this from the story of the thirsty crow, and this is not just a proverb. The essence and application of these words have been validated by all of us. Yes, all of us have proved that a vision, a dream, a desire and an ambition becomes a reality when it is empowered by unending efforts and sheer determination. This is absolutely true about the incredible growth of aviation and air travel.
No doubt,
flying in an aeroplane is a dream, a wish and a goal for billions and billions of people. They get to do it or not. The spell remains on them. In our Morning Star Assembly, we are taking you to flying journey into the world of aviation, aeroplanes and spacecrafts. Today we will get to know how the ambition to fly has achieved the incredible for us.
From the development of aviations around the world, we can learn a lot. The ultra-modern, super-speed planes and choppers, they speak of the technological advancements achieved by the humans. But even the biggest journeys start with small steps.
Namaste everyone. Shivkar Bapuji Talpade, an Indian, is said to have constructed an unmanned, heavier-than-air aircraft named Marutsakha. Though there are no documentary records, but it is said that it was flown above Mumbai's Chowpatty beach in 1895. After 8 years came the Wright brothers, who flew their plane in 1903. Since then, the world of aviation has come a long way, from the piston engine airplanes to jets that now match the speed of sound. We are presenting to you this visual journey into the world of airplanes and their development. Here are some facts and figures to make you the master of knowledge about the aviation world. The Airbus plane has a massive seating capacity of 853 passengers. Boeing offers a maximum seating capacity for 550 passengers, ranking as the world's second biggest airplane in the passengers aircraft category. Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport of China has been the busiest airport in the world, according to the numbers of passengers traveled. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi remains the busiest one in India, followed by the airports at Mumbai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad.
Friends, there is an important aspect to mention. What do we see, feel and enjoy when we visit an airport? The rainbow of people from different parts of the world traveling together. Isn't it wonderful to be a global citizen who learns about the culture of every country by the way of air travel? The ambition to fly has no limits. The dream of going to outer space has resulted in spacecraft and man-made satellites. Here is the knowledge flight for you about the moon missions.
The first space probe to the moon, known as Luna 1, was launched by the Soviet Union on January 2, 1959. It went quite near the moon. But Luna 2, on September 13, 1959, was able to successfully crash land on the moon's surface. In the year 1964, the Ranger 7 by USA sent high-resolution close-up images of the lunar surface. Till 2021, a total of 68 moon missions have been successful across the world. Luna 9 was the first spacecraft to make a soft landing on the moon in 1966. The first manned moon landing mission, Apollo 11, had Neil Armstrong on July 20, 1969 and became the first human to walk on the moon. His first words were, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." You know, the Apollo 11 crew was quarantined to avoid any alien contamination to Earth. But as there was no life found on Moon, this practice was dropped. During 1966 to 67, 5 American lunar orbiters made photographic surveys of most of the lunar surface, which were vital for planning the manned Apollo missions.
Our country has not been behind anyone. The glorious journey of India into space has been monumental. Starting with Aryabhatta satellite in 1975, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has launched more than 111 spacecrafts into space. And who can miss the name of Chandrayaan and the Mars orbiter mission known as Mangalyaan?
There are many glorious chapters in the history of Indian space science. Do you know who is Rakesh Sharma? He became the first Indian to travel into space in 1984. When he was asked by the then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi, how does our country look from the outer space? He replied, "Sare jahan se acha." You must have heard about Kalpana Chawla. She became the first woman from Indian origins to travel in space in 1997. We lost her in 2003, but the ambition to fly, the dream to reach the unreached, and the determination to conquer the galaxy are still there with mankind. The American astronaut from Indian origins, Sunita Williams, has also made us proud by her space missions.
We also want to invite and inspire you about careers in aviation, from becoming a pilot, aeronautical engineer, astronaut, aircraft engineer and a space scientist. You can even be an expert in engineering and technology to join the aviation world. Indeed, our world has come far away from the caves to the age of flight. It is a quest with no ends to it because the space is unlimited. So is our dream to know it.
Ambition, aspirations, and dreams lead us to push the boundaries and accomplish what has been an impossible thing to achieve. We are sure that each one of you will explore further and will join the spirit of ambition to fly with us. Thank you. Now, let's wish all our friends who are having birthday in this month. Now get ready for the national anthem.